Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel All About. In this video we will be unboxing MacBook Pro 16-inch 2019 version. This is the outer look of the box. You can see the Apple logo branding. Let us open the box. Here comes your MacBook Pro 16-inch 2019 version. Let us take out the device. This is the upper look of the device and this is the back. Let us see what all accessories box contains. This is the Type-C power adapter cable. These are the user manuals and this is the power adapter. It has detachable socket. It can be removed. If you want to increase the length of your charging cable, Apple provides a lengthy wire with the power socket. You can attach that to this adapter. Let us keep it aside and open the user manual box. This box has few written user manual and Apple branding logo. It comes with your laptop color. These are the user manual. It provides basic information about your device. Let's keep everything aside and see our actual device. It is wrapped with a thin plastic wrap to make sure there is no scratches during the shipment of the product. This is the front face of your laptop with the Apple branding, and this is the back. It is very thin and sleek design. On left it has got two USB-C port and right two USB-C port along with 3.5mm jack. Apple claims that we can open the device with one hand. Let us try that. This is the thin film to protect the screen. This is the trackpad, which is bigger compared to its previous generation. Keyboard is of butterfly mechanism and 16-inch retina display. Right side 2 USB-C port along with 3.5mm jack. Left side 2 USB-C port, and you can see the speaker bar at both the side. Trackpad is much bigger than its previous generation. It has got a stylish touch bar. There are many controls at your touch bar. You can control your device using your touch bar. You can even select emojis from this touch bar. You can navigate between the tabs of your browser. This is fingerprint scanner with power button. Let us see the response time of the fingerprint. Place your finger on the fingerprint and we notice that response time is very quick. The butterfly mechanism keyboard is very good compared to its magical keyboard. The travel distance of your magical keyboard is almost 1 mm. Let us see response of some heavy softwares like Android Studio. It loads up very quickly. It builds the project within few seconds. Even the project files loads very quickly. Let us try reopening the Android Studio. You can notice the build time of the project. Let us try Visual Studio Code. You can see the performance of this laptop. You can add maximum of 3 fingerprints. These fingerprints can be used to unlock your device. Even you can use them while paying through Apple Pay. Let's see its wake up time. We notice that it boots up immediately. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.